Here we are at D&M Strawberry Farms, just outside of Morden. The pickers are doing their thing.
So yeah, Frank and Vanessa Wieler. We've doing D&M Farms here for, well, I've been in it, so I was 2 years old, so 34 years. Mom and Dad started it right then. We've been doing mostly potatoes, sweet corn, and in the last about 20 years, we've been doing some strawberries. We do some raspberries, and yeah, it's just a family farm. Not big scale, but enough work for us. This year we're growing two varieties. We've got the main crop is Kent, which is about 75% of our crop, and then we've got another variety called AC Wendy,
Okay.
which is first for us, and it's a little bit of an earlier variety to kind of draw out the season, make it a little bit longer.
Okay.
It's very weather dependent. We go for sure 3 weeks is kind of what we hope for, and we went as long as 5 weeks. It's usually about 3.5 to 4 weeks would be average. On a normal day of picking, which is 5 days a week, we have anywhere from 12 to 16 pickers that are just in the strawberries, and then depending on what else we've got going on for potato picking and stuff, it can be up to 20.
Okay.
The strawberries, we use a pesticide to keep them from getting monkey faced. So they'll when they're flowering, so usually about 3 weeks before the season starts, when the flowers are coming out, we'll spray them with a chemical to get rid of aphids and thrips. And if we don't do that, they just don't form nicely and don't look nicely. Potatoes, we don't use any fertilizers on, and we do spray for bugs later in the season if we need to. But what the chemical we use for that is certified organic. We're not certified organic, and we just grow them as naturally as we can.
Awesome.
Oh, the biggest struggle would be relying on the weather and just praying that we get good weather, and being happy with whatever comes our way. Another struggle would be employees. It's hard work. It's then there's not as many people who like hard work anymore, and but yeah, for the most part, we've done it so long, we know what to expect. We know that we can't control the weather. We just do the best we can with what we get. The best part about it was just working with my family. I kind of can set my own hours, even though during the busy season it's just all the time that I'm working. But it is a short time that we are this busy. But yeah, the best part was just working with my wife and kids and my parents, and I've got some nieces and nephews who help on the farm, and that means brothers and sisters are stopping in all the time for lunches and whatever. So it's working outside and just spending some time with family.
Nice.
I don't know. It's hard to say. We'd like to. What we've been doing for the last bunch of years has been good. It's busy enough, but not too busy. We can sell mostly direct to our customers. So like with the space we have, we're not going to be going huge into wholesale or building any big factories or anything like that. And we enjoy the farmers markets, and we like being able to talk to the customers directly. Some of our products do get sold through other stores in the area and in the city, and they're great partners to work with, just selling local food to Manitobans.
Nice.
I've been doing it so long that strawberries, I'm kind of tired of strawberries.
Don't doubt it.
Since a little boy, I would eat way too many. But my favorite still would be my mom's jam. So her strawberry jam is good year round. And then just fresh. Every day I'm walking through the fields and I'm just eating them fresh to kind of check for quality and taste and see how they're looking. So I eat my share just straight off the plant.